Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon RDS automated backups for disaster recovery, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Amazon RDS automated backups for disaster recovery, first, log into your AWS Management Console. In the console, navigate to the RDS dashboard. Select the Databases option from the left-hand menu. Choose the database instance you want to enable automated backups for. In the Database Instance Details page, look for the Modify button and click on it. Scroll down to the Backup section. Find the option labeled Automated Backups. Set the Automated Backups toggle to the Enable position. Select the desired backup retention period from the available options. The retention period can range from 1 to 35 days. Make sure to configure the preferred backup window. This window specifies. Consider your database activity when selecting a time. Once you've made your selections, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Review your changes in the Summary section. If everything looks correct, click on the Modify DB Instance button. Your settings will be applied, and the instance will undergo a modification. Note that this may take a few minutes to complete. After the modification is complete, automated backups will be active. To verify, return to the RDS dashboard. Check the database instance details to ensure that automated backups are listed as enabled. This setup is essential for disaster recovery purposes. With automated backups enabled, your data will be secure against failures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.